Hey guys, I am just going to be using a different technique today called the Camo Pop Bridge method. Still using my Saint 3D foundation. First, I'm going to go into my contour like normal and put that below my cheekbones and at the top of my forehead at my hairline. The brush I'm using is the Buff brush. And I'm just going to blend that out at my hairline as I go along and just add a little bit more to my cheekbones and then below my jaw. And I'm going to blend that down my neck where you have some light spots. Next, I'm going to contour my nose, and you just go down the sides of your nose just to slim out your nose if you need that, and then do a little bit of brightening highlight right in the center. Next, this is the Camo. So this is your darker color, and you're just going to put this anywhere that you want to camouflage, any spots. So I have some sunspots and some veins that show, and I'm just going to take that darker color and camouflage those. And next, I'll go in with my brightening highlight, and I'm going to put that under my eyes, at the outer corner of my eyes, and right down my midline. So the next color is kind of your shade that's closest to your natural skin tone. This I'm using is June, and you're going to put this anywhere you do not already have makeup. And I just put that on my eyelids a little as a primer. And so once you have that all applied, then you're going to start blending. I'm going to use my blush and bronzer brush to start blending out the lighter areas first. And I use the smaller end of this brush to do most of the blending and use the fluffier end usually for my cheeks, my contour, and my cheek color. So I haven't put my lip and cheek color on yet. So once I get that blended out, I'm going to now pick Nude as my lip and cheek color. I'm just going to put that right above the contour and just blend those two colors together. You want to always bring that contour line up and not bring that contour line down. You definitely want to keep the colors where they go. All right, so next I'm just going to do a quick eye look. I am going to be using the eyeshadow brush, and I am just using my finger first and putting some Frenchie, which is a lip and cheek color, just as my base. Kind of acts as a primer too. You could leave it as that and just put like a translucent powder over it, but I decided to put Mama on top of that, which is not far off as far as the color goes. And then I just applied a little bit of Lullaby in the outer edge, and then I'm going to also take that smaller end of the eyeshadow brush and put a little Lullaby under my eyes instead of doing a eyeliner. So next I just take my finger and apply a little bit of Peppa right in the center of my eye. Peppa is a shimmer shade, and I just kind of blended that out with the eyeshadow brush. And next I'm going to apply that Nude that I used on my cheeks. I'm going to put that on my lips, and you can kind of clean your eyeshadow up with your brush. And then I am going to set it with a setting spray. This is a new one that I just bought, so I'll let you know how I like it. And next I'm just applying my L'Oreal. This is a tubing mascara. I really like this one, especially like for work, because it doesn't smear or transfer onto my upper lid, and it comes off with just warm water. And so you apply the primer first and then the mascara after, and this one I really like. And that's it for today's look.